Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge PDF files. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google adobe.com. Hit enter. So once this website is open, you simply need to click on PDF e-signature and click on merge PDF. And from here you need to select files. So you need to select two files from your PC. So let's suppose I do not have any files, but you simply need to add files, and once you add that, you can simply merge that files. And this is the easy process. You simply need to select files. Here you can see that, click the select a file button above or drag and select the files you want to merge using the combiner tool. Render the file if needed, click merge files, and after that you need to download. So this is the easy process by which you can merge PDF files. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.